guys, and welcome back to my channel Beauty by Shefira. So quick one guys, I'm going to be showing you in this short video a very simple and easy way to fix your contact. Remember guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel and you are watching this video, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on my post notifications so you'll be the first that will be alerted once I put up a new video. And also do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Stay with me guys. Guys, this is how easy you can fix your eye contact. If you enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time watching my video. Thank you so much guys for watching till this end. Also do not forget to turn on my post notifications so you will be the first that will be alerted once I put up a new video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.